How does the respiratory system respond to exercise?
During exercise, the respiratory system responds rapidly and effectively to meet the body's dramatically increased need for oxygen and the removal of excess carbon dioxide produced by active muscles. Even before significant changes in blood gas levels occur, there is an anticipatory increase in both the rate and depth of breathing. This initial rapid response is triggered by neural signals from the motor cortex as soon as movement begins, preparing the body for increased activity. Proprioceptors in the muscles and joints also send feedback to the respiratory centers in the brainstem, further enhancing this immediate ventilatory response. As exercise continues and becomes more intense, chemical changes in the blood, especially rising carbon dioxide and a drop in pH due to lactic acid, stimulate central and peripheral chemoreceptors. These receptors send strong signals to the respiratory centers, resulting in even greater activation of the diaphragm and intercostal muscles. The rate and depth of each breath increases significantly, leading to a much higher minute ventilation and more efficient gas exchange in the alveoli. Clinically, a healthcare provider observing a patient during exercise would note an increased respiratory rate, deeper breaths, and in more intense or prolonged activity, visible engagement of accessory muscles in the neck and abdomen to help maximize air movement. Over time, regular aerobic exercise leads to long-term adaptations in the respiratory system. While lung capacity itself doesn't increase much, the strength and endurance of respiratory muscles improve, and the efficiency of ventilation and gas exchange increases. Trained individuals are able to exercise at higher intensities with a lower resting respiratory rate and experience less breathlessness during activity. After exercise stops, breathing remains elevated for a period. This is known as recovery oxygen consumption or oxygen debt. During this phase, the body continues to consume extra oxygen to restore ATP stores, clear lactic acid, and return physiological functions to baseline. This post-exercise period is an essential part of the body's overall adaptation to physical stress. The ability of the respiratory system to anticipate, rapidly respond to, and recover from the demands of exercise is critical for supporting physical performance, maintaining stable blood gases and pH, and ensuring metabolic homeostasis during and after physical activity.